What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a cartoon illustration of Harry Potter. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now we leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of each eye. And then we want to fill the bottom of the eyes in black, going around that highlight. Now with the eyes in place, we want to draw two larger circles for the glasses. Let's leave a gap in the center. Start with the one on the left. We'll start right here, going all the way around to the top, and down the side, and back up in the middle. Let's go over towards the right side. We'll go up towards the same height, round this out, come around the bottom, and then back up. Let's connect the glasses with a curve in the middle, going up and then down. Let's add in the eyebrows, starting on top of the left eye, then it's up and then down. Do the same thing on the right side. Let's go back to the left, we go up higher in the middle, and then back down on the inside. Now we move down in the center and add the nose, starting on the left, then it's down and then up. Move up and draw a short curve, going up and then down across the bridge of the nose. Now from the nose, we want to step down, add a short curve for the mouth, come down and up, and add a small line on either end. Now just underneath the glasses, we're going to add a curve for the head, starting on the left, then it's down, underneath the mouth, and then back up. Now from here, we draw the hair bangs on top of the glasses. Let's start on the left, we're going to bend this up and then in, go across toward the middle, and then down. Let's add a curve, going across, and then up. Let's add another point. We're going to step down, go on top of the glasses, go around, and then back up. Now we move down again, go out, and then down on top of the glasses. Now on top of the left eye, we're going to add that bolt. Going down, up, and then down at an angle. Let's trace this along the inside. Now from the side of the glasses, let's draw on the hair. We'll start on the left, going out, and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add a point, move down and out. Now on the left, we're just going to work our way up, around, and then in toward the top of the head. Let's add a couple strands, going up and out, then that back in. Let's add another one going over towards the right, going across, and then down. Now we're just going to make our way up around the right side and then bring that down towards that point. Let's tuck the ears along the side, starting on the left, around, and then in. And we're going to add a little bit more hair along the bottom of the head, starting from the ear, come down and in, turn that up. Just tuck that in towards the side of the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's wrap the scarf around the neck, starting on the left, come down toward the bottom in the middle, and back up. Now we're going to pull the scarf down on the left side. From the center, let's move over toward the left, draw a straight line coming down, flatten off the bottom toward the left, and go straight up. Let's add those thick stripes inside the scarf. Leaving a gap in the center, draw two lines, one on the left, one on the right. Move out and draw that again. And we'll add two lines going across the bottom. Now I want to draw the inside edge of the coat. Let's start on the right side, bend down, and then out towards the bottom. Let's go underneath the scarf on the left, come down and out towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the coat, going out and then up. And then we'll bend the side of the coat coming in and then up towards the arms. Let's add in the collar, starting with a point in the center, and let's up and out towards left and right. Now you want to trace this 2 more times underneath. Let's move down and draw the bottom of the sweater, curve, step up and draw that 2 more times. Now in the center, we're going to step down, add a curve, going up and down, leave a gap in the center, move over toward the left, bend the leg, going out and down toward the left heel, go to the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, starting from the left heel, come down, and then bend that up towards the outside. Let's go back to left and round out the top of the foot. I'm going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and curl that back up on the inside. Now I want to close off the side of the leg, starting underneath the coat, bend this out, and then down on top of the feet. Now add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. Let's take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now I'm going to go back and add a simple crest on the right side. Start with a curve along the top, and then from the side, bend this down and then in towards the bottom point. Now let's move back up and draw in the arms. We're going to start with the arm on the left holding the wand. So we'll start underneath the scarf, come down and then bend that out towards the wrist. From the wrist, we're going to curl the thumb, going up and then down. Round up the tip of the thumb and then bend that back up. Let's wrap 3 fingers around the wand. Starting from the side of the thumb, start with a half oval, going out and then in. Move down, draw that again, going up underneath the thumb. And we'll do that one more time. Let's place the wand in behind the hand. From the top, we're just going to angle this up and then out. Step in, draw that again. And then we'll round out the top. Let's continue these 2 lines underneath the hand, coming down and in. And round out the bottom. Now going back up to the top of the thumb, let's add the sleeve. We're going to come down and bend that out. Bend this in and then up towards the side of the body. Let's close off the bottom of the palm, just underneath the finger, coming in underneath the cuff. Now from that bottom point, we're just going to wrap this up underneath the hand. Now we're going to move over and draw the right arm along the side of the body. Let's line up the top, just going to bend this out, and then down toward the sleeve, and down, and then in. And then we're going to add 3 fingers going up underneath the cuff, starting from the side of the body, bring this in and up. Do that 2 more times. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Harry Potter. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.